Right now, I'm trying to find the charger for my Digicam. If you don't know how my Digicam photos look, these are like a good sample spread of how they will look like. Context, I'm gonna be hanging out with my summer besties, and we're gonna be going to Universal Studios this weekend. Just hang out in SoCal. I've been trying to get into more posting on my Instagram. Let me move y'all over. Posting a bit more, I guess not aesthetic content, but more my B-rolls, more my life, like day in the life, or some carousels, to be honest, because they don't post that much. Also, I'm thinking of making this kind of like a dedicated, like its own dedicated video, only because I want to save like my rest of my camera storage, I guess, quote unquote, for when I start editing or recording for Universal. And I really want to document that. But low-key, the reason why I haven't charged this in a hot minute is because charging with this is a little bit finicky. I say this because you see that? Like, that doesn't even look like it fits all the way through. Okay, so right now I'm listening to Gege no Yasoki Toku. I feel like I butchered it, but that's okay. Starting to get ready to prep like my travel essentials. I'm thinking of bringing some of my minis because it's a 3-day trip. So I'm like, I'm gonna need like really small items. I don't wanna bring my full-size one, but enough to get my skin exfoliated, prepped, and brightened and hydrated. We're gonna be going in with the Living Cleansing Balm from the Tenai Mechi brand. I know it's made with the halabang fruit, really good for that vitamin C brightening. Focus on this time because I don't have any inflamed acne anymore. All I have is hyperpigmentation and just redness. I bought this in conjunction with the Duo. We're going in with the Rhode Beauty Pineapple Extract Cleanser. I'm assuming it's the same as the Good Molecules Facial Cleanser because they both have pineapple extract. I heard good reviews about Rhode. I haven't tried Rhode yet. A VT Cosmetics Snail Mucin. We're gonna be using the SK2 Facial Patera Essence. Basically good benefits for that hydration, plumping, exfoliation as well. Really the one that set the intention of the first essence ever. We're gonna be going in with the BT Cosmetics Riddle Shots. We're gonna be going in with the Bong Bounce Cream. This one is from the Tenai Mechi brand. We're gonna be using a tone-up cream from Medicube. And then next is the Tenai Mechi sunscreen. It's actually one of my favorites. I do usually like a 1 or 2 ply method, so it's supposed to make your skin barrier strong AF. One of my cult favorites when I first got into the brand, when I first worked into Sephora, it was one of the brands I wanted to introduce to clients. I'm gonna be honest, like I used to be a big ass representative for this brand, whole ass, and my coworkers know, or like my previous coworkers know till this day that I love the Tenai Mechi brand. Like I always been repping them like when they first launched. Like as soon as I found out, I was like, oh girl, I need to tell the masses about this. I was feeling like that one horseman in those like memes. I think his name is like what, Samuel Johnson or whatever. Okay, now next we're gonna go on to body, which is gonna be the Josie Maran Body Butter Oil or Body Butter Travel Size. Also, I had to also put my car really quick because I had to go somewhere really quick. So y'all are gonna come with me really quick. Okay, so right now I'm about to do my pre-cleanse before I shower. So I like to go in with the Rinsea cleansing oil. It's the Pore Matte Melchi cleansing oil. It's really good. 1 pump is good enough if you have like makeup or sunscreen. 2 pumps, makeup, maybe 3, but honestly 2 pumps is good enough. These are like my list I want to pack. So like so far it's the basics, which is clothing. I'm doing my laundry right now, so I can finish out like my laundry I was supposed to do, but also pick through what I want to pick. And then with that being said, if you want to know what the finished product is, just stay tuned until the next video, y'all. I feel bad for leaving you on a cliffhanger, my bad. But if you want to stay tuned to see like all the finished packing, then stay tuned to the next video. Thank you for watching today's video and getting ready with me to kind of like pack, do my skincare. You probably didn't even see me do my skincare. I probably didn't even record it, but like do everything else. But yeah, it was really exciting. Anyways, I hope to see you in the next video. Toodles, bye.